interesting. I don't know what the teleporter is, but we're going to take a look over here. And for this one, let's just do a rocket pot. The teleporter is on the other side, so let's try to wrap around. I don't know if I'm going to catch up. I don't know. All right, there we go. That was pretty cool, though. You know, I got a couple of languages there. I want to see how many I can just get, like, the natural course of the gameplay. If you want to do it in 5 minutes, please watch my previous video on this subject matter. It was Rainbow Stars. So I wanted to wait to purchase this after I spent 50 Rainbow Stars.